Next level of journey under self awareness is self acceptance. So under self acceptance, individual satisfaction or happiness with oneself is required. So individual satisfaction and happiness will come with the self acceptance only. So it is necessary for good mental health. So those having self acceptance, their mental health will be very good. They will be more feel satisfied and they will feel happy. Self acceptance involves self understanding, a realistic awareness of one's strength and weakness. You should know what is your strength, what is our weakness. If it is known to you, then you will be able to self accept yourself and you will feel a satisfaction or happiness within you. So it results in individual feeling that they are of unique worth. So 9 tips for self acceptance. Own your word, forgive yourself and others. So some people will have this problem. They will maybe done some mistake. They are keep on stucking on their mistake. They are not forgiving themselves. They are stucking in the things. So the self acceptance is not there. They will not feel satisfaction in their life, or they will not feel happy. So you have to do self forgiveness or forgive yourself, and also you have to forgive others, those who are having given some mistake or something to you, they have done something to you. So you have, if you have a forgiving mentality, then it will create some satisfaction and happiness. Accept sorry compliments. So you have to accept compliments whatever the people are doing, and choose kind friends. The friend what you mingle should be very kind enough. Increase positive self talk. So that is you have to talk yourself positively daily to make you satisfied and feel happy. Decrease negative self talk, negative thought process. Get real with comparisons. So you can compare, but a neutral way. You should not more negative side. Make and keep compliments to self. Sorry, commitments. Sorry, make and keep commitment to self. So we ourselves should have some commitment. It is not always somebody will give some task we will follow and do. We should create our own commitment to do. So when you have your own commitment and you finish it, you will feel satisfaction and happy. So that is ultimate aim. So you have to make and keep your commitment to self and accept what you can't change. That is another area most people are struggling, and they are not able to make any progress in their life. So something, some peoples or some things you cannot change. So accept it and move away or go ahead. So that is what accept with it, what you cannot change. Otherwise, you will keep on struggling to change. That is not happens. So you will be get frustrated. The satisfaction and happiness you will lose. So that is the case. You have to avoid that. Self-realization. Self-realization deal with fulfillment of one's own potential. It is a journey of realizing our inner potential. Involve growth and development motivated from within. When you do self realization, you will get your own self motivation that results in growth and development. It is a willingness to pursue our ideal self on our own, to grow and to change because we think it is important, right? So next journey of self awareness is self disclosure. So disclosing our innermost thought and feeling, that is called self disclosure. towards a mature self concept. It is help us to move towards a mature self concept. How we are going to reveal ourselves, and this is where self awareness play an important role. So we need to know ourselves well before we can disclose or reveal anything to others that about our real self, right? Research indicates that self disclosure leads to self contentment. So when you do self disclosure properly, you acquire the skill of self disclosure. We will be more perspective, adaptive, competent, trusting worthy person, and positive person.